Okay, we will continue. قطع الفيديو. Okay, so we reached here. This story you have to read it by yourself. It is about Meg and Ben. So you have to read it and understand it. It's a short story. Okay, so now we will learn about grammar. So our lesson today about a subject. So what is a subject? The subject of a sentence, you know the sentences, they have verb and subject. So what is a subject? Verb, we learned about verb before. Verb is what happened or what is going to happen or what is happening now. For example, I eat a sandwich. Do you know what's the verb in this sentence? It is what I am doing or what is happening. What I'm doing now, I am eating a sandwich. So eat or eating is the verb. بالعربي نسميه فعل. يعني شنو أفعل شنو دا أسوي. So this is the verb and we learned about it. So today we will learn about the subject. The subject is the thing in the sentence which is يعني الشيء اللي يصير بيه. يعني مثلا I am eating a sandwich. So eating is the verb, it's what I'm doing. And the sandwich, it is what is being done on. يعني شنو قاعد يصير عليه. So the sandwich is the subject. A subject is something you can see, you can touch, you can feel. So something physically available. Okay? So the subject of a sentence tells you who or what the sentence is about. So when I say I am eating a sandwich, so what or who this sentence about? It is what? The sandwich. So this sentence is about the sandwich, right? I'm eating it. So I am eating the sandwich. Okay, so let's take other examples. The big brown dog played with the cat.
The subject has 4 words.
So can you guess what is the subject here? The big brown dog. This is the subject. I'm describing the dog, so the description is part of the subject. The big brown dog. Okay? So this sentence is about what? It's about the dog. It's about the big brown dog. So this is the subject. The sentence is about the big brown dog and what he did. So what he did is the verb, played. But the subject is the big brown dog, meaning the sentence is about what? It's about the big brown dog. So let's answer this question. What is the subject in the following sentence? Try to guess, Baba. He ran all the way to school. What is the subject here? This sentence is about what? Try to think before you click on answer. Did you get it? Let's see. The subject of the sentence is just one word. It's about the word he. So, he ran all the way to school. So the subject is about the boy who ran all the way to school. And what is the verb? Ran. Okay? So the word he tells you who ran to school. He. He ran to school. So the subject is the boy, he. Okay. So this is the first homework. After we learned about the subject, you have 9 sentences here. You have to read them first, and you have to circle the subject of each sentence. Remember, the subject is the who or what that does something in the sentence. I'll do for you 4 or 5, then you have to do them alone and you continue. So first you have to read them. The table is long. Okay, so this sentence is about what? It is telling us that the table is long. So the subject here is table. The table is wrong. So you have to circle table. He sat on the table. He sat on the table. So what is the subject? It's the word or group of words that tells us who or what. So who sat on the table? He. So the subject is he. You circle he. The red ball bounced up and down. So this sentence is about what? It's about the red ball. So the subject is red ball. So you have to circle red ball. Okay? Number 4. Pat bounced the green ball up and down. So there is a girl named Pat. She bounced the green ball up and down. So what is the subject here? Can you guess? Pat. This sentence about Pat. She bounced the green ball up and down. A book fell on the floor. So this sentence is about what? It's about the book which fell on the floor. So the subject is book. So continue the remaining Baba and do them alone. Okay? This is very easy, very easy. I'll do one here again. The big dog ate the bone. This sentence about what? What is the subject? The big dog, circle big dog. Okay? Writing. We write for different reasons. Click the arrow and watch the video to learn about different reasons to write. So this is a 1-minute video. It will tell you why do we write. Writing is very nice, Baba. You have to write a lot. So watch this video. You are going to write informational text. What does informational text means? Information يعني معلومات يعني شغلات نتعلمها. So informational text tell readers about what you like to do for fun. Click the button to download the graphic organizer. I don't know if this is part of the homework. Yes, this is part of the homework. This is the second homework. Okay, so here you have to list the things that you do when you are having fun with your family. So you have to write 5 sentences about things you like to do when you have fun with your family. For example, you will say, I love to play football with my mother. This is informational sentence. You are informing the reader what do you love to do with your mother. Let's say, I like when my father brings a cake. So this is you enjoy bringing a cake. Yeah, right? So you say something like that. Here you will say, I enjoy spending time with my mom, playing with dolls, for example. So you understood. You have to write 5 short sentences describing what things you like to do to have fun with your family, okay? So again, in this lesson we have 2 homeworks. This is the first one, when you circle the subject. And this is the second one, where you have to write informational sentences about what you like to do for fun with your family. Okay? This is the end of the first lesson.